Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KMA, Kliff and Michelle. It's time for another walking tour dito po sa Iloilo City. Hope you enjoy guys this video. Don't forget to share, like, and hit the notification bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga latest namin na mga videos. Alright guys, I'm here at the downtown area dito po sa Iloilo City. I'm going to feature this street guys, GM Basa. Dito po makita yung mga old buildings dito po sa downtown area of Iloilo City. Hope you enjoy guys. Let's go! Guys, dito po makikita sa Basa Street sa Iloilo City ang mga old buildings like this one. Balik tayo noong 1927. Ito ang Edificio de Villanueva, kilala as the International Hotel kung saan naka-host ng mga American, British, Spanish patrons at mga Chinese bankers, merchants at bankers. Dumating ang time, di na ginagamit at lumala. On 2012, yung building ay na-restored. Alright guys, dyan po ang Roberto's kung saan famous sila sa Queen Siu Pao. It's closed today because it's a Sunday. Sa mga next na mga vlogs, kakain kami dyan and we're going to taste yung famous na Queen Siu Pao. Alright, let's proceed! Alright guys, this ends my walking tour dito po sa Basa Street, Iloilo City, downtown area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell button para ma-update guys mga latest namin ng mga videos. Bye guys, see you next video. Bye.